friends and welcome to Max Programming. Today we are going to learn this thing. The title I'll put as let me put it as creating multi-line text boxes. Okay, it's okay. So let's see it. Refreshing it. Creating multi-line text boxes. Okay, now we come to our body. Between the body element, the first thing I have to write this form tag, as we did in the last video, and in the form tag I have to use the same attributes that were as for action attribute, and then came the method attribute, and we have to keep it blank. And between these two form elements, I don't have to write the input element. I will write the tags, means the tag of making a multi-line text box. So for that I have text area tag. Okay, in text area tag we can put the attribute rows, and rows I can put it as 20, and columns I have to put it as calls, and I can put it as 50. So this denotes, okay, and between them we are going to write nothing, so let them be as it is. Okay, great. Now after that we wrote this, and if let's see it, okay, in our browser we have this text box here ready. I can write here anything, it does not matter. Here this is a text box, and if I want to have a title or a label for that, I can write here as suggestions, okay, and then simply this, and then let's see it here. We got suggestions here, and this simply we can click here and write our suggestions or anything else. Okay, after that, if I want to put a button over here, so for button what should I do? For button I should put another input tag. I have to use that input tag. In input tag this is not required. The name attribute is not required. Only the type attribute and one more attribute is required. That is that was the value attribute. So value we are going to put here. Now the first type. Now type, if I want to type as let's check it. I am also going to check it first for the first time. Let's write as OK here, and value OK here. Okay, so let's save it. Let's see here. So we have this thing here. We have another text box here. So what was that? It was nothing. If you want to add a button over here, so you don't have to write anything here, you just have to write here submit. Okay, after submit, in value you have to write what you want to write in that button. So if I want to write submit in that button like this, see the difference between this submit and this submit. Then when I save it, let me first put a BR tag over here, so the button will not come here, it will come here directly. So submit we have here, and for example I don't want submit here, but I want OK written here, so I can write OK in the value. So let's see it here, OK button, and if you press this button nothing will happen, but in the actual web page there will happen something. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video if you like this video, and share and subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.